Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to export your Google task list from your Google task board to a Google Sheet. So if you want to convert a task list from your task board to Google Sheets, it's quite simple. All you need to do is you need to be logged into whatever Google account or Gmail you are using for your Google task board for whatever project you're doing. And once you are here, all we need to do is just choose whatever list you want to convert. So for example, this default my task is what we want. I want you to look towards the upper right corner of this specific task and you're going to see three dots, right? So I want you to click on the three dots. This pop-up will appear and there will be an option to export to Google Sheet. So all we need to do is click on this like so. There you go. And here it's going to open a new Google Sheet that says my tasks, right? And it's going to have all the tasks that this specific task board has, as you can see here. So yeah, it's that easy. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.